Welcome to the deep dive. We cut through the noise to get you the knowledge that, well, really matters.
Glad to be diving in.
So today we're tackling the world of SEO, specifically looking ahead to 2025. It's changing fast.
Incredibly fast. Yeah.
We're basing this on a really interesting IndieFacts piece from May 6th, 2025. The title is Top SEO Trends to Dominate in 2025. Stay ahead in the search game.
The good one lays out the key shifts pretty clearly.
Right. And the core question for everyone really is, how do you stay visible? How do you compete when AI and, user habits are just constantly shifting the ground?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Visibility in this new landscape.
This article flags 7 key trends, so let's unpack those.
Sounds good. Where should we start?
Trend number 1, Search Generative Experience, SGE. Okay, what is this thing really?
So SGE, think of it as Google using AI to generate answers directly in the search results.
Okay, so not just links, but actual summary answers.
Exactly. Contextual answers, AI-powered summaries, trying to directly nail the user's query right there on the page. It's a big shift from just a list of blue links.
Okay, right. So if Google's giving the answer up front, what does that mean for, getting people to actually click on our sites?
Well, that's the core challenge. It means your content strategy has to change. The article makes a strong point here.
Which is?
Your content needs to be super in-depth, really well-structured, and laser-focused on intent. You've got to provide the best, most direct answer to potentially get featured in that SGE box.
So surface-level stuff just won't cut it anymore.
Seems unlikely, yeah.
Yeah.
And the article mentioned something specific to help with this. Schema markup. Why is that suddenly so critical?
Schema. Okay, think of it like detailed labels you add to your website's code.
Labels for the search engine.
Exactly. It tells search engines, including SGE's AI, precisely what your content is about. Like, this is a recipe, this is a product, this is its price. It helps the AI understand your info way better.
Gotcha. So it makes your content more machine-readable, increasing the chance SGE might pull from it.
Precisely. Better understanding, better chance of being included, which actually leads nicely into the second trend.
AI-powered content and optimization. Makes sense.
Yeah, the article highlights tools like ChatGPT, Gemini. They're becoming central to SEO, aren't they?
Absolutely. But it's not just about, asking AI to write me a blog post.
Right. It's more than that.
Much more. It's optimization suggestions, it's predictive analytics on keywords, it's understanding user behavior patterns from huge data sets, stuff humans can't easily process.
That analytical power is...
Oh.
Wow. So using AI to find keyword gaps, maybe? Or optimize existing content?
Exactly that. Spotting opportunities, refining your drafts, analyzing competitors. But, and this is key,
It's still a tool.
it's still a tool. You need the human strategy, the creativity, the audience understanding. AI assists. It doesn't replace that core insight.
Makes sense. Okay, trend 3. This one feels familiar, but maybe more important now. EEE.
Yes, EET. It's evolved.
Remind us what it stands for, especially that first E.
Right, so it's now experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. That first E for experience is the newer emphasis.
Experience, so like first-hand knowledge.
Exactly. Google wants to see content written by people who've actually done the thing, especially for important topics. Think health, finance. The article calls them YMYL, your money or your life topic.
Because the stakes are higher there. Google wants reliable info.
Precisely. It's about credibility. So how do you show this EETT?
Good question. What does the article suggest?
Some practical things. Detailed author bios showing credentials, citing really solid authoritative sources,
Okay.
and getting mentions or endorsements from other credible sites, building that web of trust.
It's about proving your legitimacy, really. Okay. Trend 4. Voice search.
Yeah, smart speakers, phone assistants, it's growing.
And people search differently with voice, right? More conversational.
Totally. They ask full questions. Hey, Google, what's the best way to... Instead of just typing keywords like best way SEO, longer, more natural language.
Okay, so not pizza place near me, but where can I find a pizza place near me that's open now?
Exactly like that. So for SEO,
You need to adapt your content. The article points towards long-tail keywords.
those longer, more specific phrases people actually say.
Right, and FAQ sections. Answering common questions directly in that conversational style.
Makes perfect sense. Aligning with how people actually talk.
Okay, number 5 is, interesting, zero-click searches.
Ah, yes. The bane of some website owners.
Explain that. What's a zero-click search?
It's when the user finds the answer they need on the Google results page itself. They don't click any links.
Oh, Like in those featured snippet boxes.
Exactly. Featured snippets, knowledge panels, those SGE answers we talked about.
Yeah.
The info is right there, so no click needed.
Which means potentially less traffic to our actual websites, even if we rank well.
That's the concern, yeah. It impacts traditional click-through rates.
Yeah.
But the article argues SEO still matters immensely here, even without a click. Being visible in those snippets or panels builds brand awareness and authority.
Ah, okay. So visibility itself has value.
Definitely. And optimizing for those featured snippets, using structured data to get rich results, that becomes even more important to capture that zero-click visibility.
Got it. Be the answer, even if they don't click through. Okay, trend 6, visuals and video.
Huge. Just like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even Google Lens getting smarter. People love visual content.
We definitely consume a lot more video and images now.
So optimizing that multimedia content isn't an afterthought anymore.
Yeah.
It's core SEO.
Yeah.
People often understand things better visually.
Right. So how do we optimize, say, an image or a video?
For images, use descriptive alt tags. Tell search engines what the image shows.
Okay.
For videos, provide transcripts. Help search engines understand the content. Plus, it's great for accessibility. And again, structured data helps make your visuals discoverable in image and video searches.
Alt tags, transcripts, structured data, practical stuff. All right, last one, number 7. Back to basics. Page experience and core web vitals.
Yep. Good old fundamentals. They still matter
Oh,
a lot.
So things like site speed, mobile friendliness.
Absolutely. Google really cares about user experience. Is your site fast? Does it work well on phones? Is it easy to use? Is it stable when loading? That's core web vitals territory.
Like that stuff jump around while the page loads, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Metrics like largest contentful paint, LCP, first input delay, FID, or interaction to next paint, INP, cumulative layout shift, CLS. They measure that experience. Poor scores can hurt your rankings.
So even with all this fancy AI stuff, you still need a technically solid, fast, user-friendly website.
Fundamentally, yes.
Yeah.
The article stresses regular audits use tools like PageSpeed Insights, fix those core web vitals issues. A bad user experience kills everything else.
Okay. So wrapping this up based on the IndFacts article, SEO in 2025 looks like it needs, well, a smarter approach.
Definitely smarter. User-centric, AI-aware.
Leveraging AI tools, yes, but focusing heavily on that quality, that EEAT.
And adapting to how people actually search now, voice, visuals, getting answers directly on Google.
It really feels like the core message is agility. You have to keep learning, keep adapting.
Absolutely. Continuous adaptation is the name of the game. What works today might need tweaking tomorrow. Stay informed, experiment, and always, always prioritize the user.
So a final thought maybe for everyone listening. As AI gets woven deeper into search, think about what authority and expertise truly mean online now.
Good point. It's shifting.
It's not just about keywords anymore, is it? It's about genuinely demonstrating value and building trust in this increasingly intelligent digital space. How do you show up authentically?
Something to really chew on.
Indeed. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us today.